Well, we are still more than 2 months until Donald Trump takes office.
Yeah, but a lot of investors are already making moves in anticipation of what a second term will look like. Joining us now is nationally recognized financial expert Rick Edelman, who is also the founder of The Truth About Your Future. Rick, thanks for joining us.
Oh, it's great to be with you both. Thank you.
Let's talk about something that confuses a lot of people, including me, crypto. It is just taking off right now. What are you seeing and what are you telling your clients?
Yeah, it's very exciting what's going on. We know that over the past 4 years, Joe Biden was strongly opposed to crypto. The SEC chair, Gary Gensler, the biggest obstacle, the biggest crypto hater in Washington. And Donald Trump said last summer that if he were elected, he would fire Gary Gensler on day one. Donald Trump is a huge crypto supporter. And now that he's won the election, the crypto community is super enthused and is widely expecting strong support from the new administration as well as from Congress. And that is going to create a new, exciting marketplace for Bitcoin in the United States. And this is why, since the election, Bitcoin is up over 33%. It has made more money in the last week than the stock market does in 3 years.
Wow, that's crazy. I mean, Rick, obviously a lot of optimism, some excitement when it comes to crypto and the incoming administration. But do you believe there should be more caution? First, the president-elect has not taken office yet, and we've seen crypto in the past make big swings, all depending on the market.
Well, the big swings have been because of the regulatory and legislative environment. Congress has made it clear during the Biden administration that they were not going to pass any crypto laws. And Gary Gensler made it clear he wasn't going to pass any regulations. And this has stymied the crypto community. The SEC has also filed lots of lawsuits against crypto companies. He actually had a policy of telling banks not to engage, not to open bank accounts or provide loans to crypto businesses. So it was a really negative environment for crypto, and that has held back the advancement and development of this new industry. Donald Trump has said just the opposite. So you're absolutely right. The crypto community is betting that Donald Trump will be true to his word, that he will in fact support crypto the way he promised. And it's on that assumption that crypto prices have risen dramatically since the election. But what if Donald Trump doesn't honor that promise? What if he changes his mind? What if he gets distracted with other issues? That would cause Bitcoin prices to fall. So you're right, it remains somewhat speculative, and you need to temper your enthusiasm. Don't go overboard. Sure, go ahead and invest if you want, if you have a long-term perspective, but don't get carried away. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose.
All right, now I got to get down to the question we're all asking. What should we invest in right now, before January, before Trump takes office again?
Well, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest digital assets, are the places to go. There are now Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs. They're available in any brokerage firm. They're available from just about every financial advisor. You can invest incredibly small amounts of money, $5, or as much as you choose. So that's a simple, easy, inexpensive way to get exposure to crypto. In addition to that, you've got to take a look at the bond market, because the Fed is cutting interest rates. And as interest rates go down, the value of bonds goes up. So you have to ask yourself, what do I think bonds are going to do in 2025? If you think interest rates are going to keep coming down, then being in bonds makes some sense. The stock market, we have to wait and see. This has been a great year for stocks, and you have to ask yourself if it's going to be just as strong next year or not. My argument would be you should have a time horizon that goes beyond 4 years, goes past Donald Trump. Otherwise, you may be making a short-term decision that may not turn out to be the way you hoped.
All right, $5, less than a cup of coffee
I
that
know.
I bought today.
I can do that.
We can do that. All right, nationally recognized financial expert Rick Edelman. Rick, thank you so much for joining us here live on 7 News.
Anytime.